Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Del Plato. Miss Del Plato is here today for large group. So what we're going to do is get started with our calendar, friends. So let's look up here at Miss Del Plato's wall. Who can tell me, what month are we in? Nice and loud, friends. January. Yes, the month we are in is January. Now we're going to go ahead and sing our days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. All right. Let's see, what day of the week is today? There is Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, January, and now we need to go ahead and count to see the number for today's date. Let's count. Remember to count aloud with Mrs. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today is Wednesday, January 12th. The number 12 has a 1 and a 2 in it, and I'm going to place it on my calendar. All right, friends, so we know today is, I'm going to move my arrow. Today is Wednesday, you just told me. So that means yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, I want you to look outside your window as Miss D is looking outside hers. What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Already, I am seeing some sun and I am seeing some clouds. So it looks like it is partly cloudy by my house. And the past couple days have been very, very cold. All right, what season are we in? Yes, this season is winter, right? We're in the season of winter. All right, let's go over our schedule for today. All right, so our schedule for today is group time, small groups, centers, right? Then we have lunchtime, rest time, story time. We have art class again today with Miss Cox live, and then we meet again in the afternoon for small group, and that completes our school day. Alrighty, remember, we always make green choices, right? So let's look at some green choices we can make. Remember, always clean up after yourself. Give hugs. Make sure to be a friend. Look at the speaker when they're speaking. Have listening ears. Sit crisscross applesauce so you're sitting nicely at your spot. Help others. Put away things and raise your hand, right? Or give me a thumbs up when you want to share something special. Alrighty, so the last few weeks we've been talking about the clothes study, right? So here, we're going to look at some features, right? Some features that we see on clothes. So here, we see buttons, right? We've been learning about the word button. So if you look up here, in the first picture, we see a lot of different colors and sizes. I see yellow button, I see a red button, I see blue, I see brown, black, right? These are all buttons. And where do we find buttons? Think about it for a minute. Where do we find buttons? Yes, we find buttons maybe on our pants or on our shorts. We find buttons on our shirts. So I want you to look at your outfit that you're wearing today. I want you to look at your shirt if you're wearing your uniform shirt. And I want to see, do you have a button? And I want you to count to see how many buttons do you have, right? And then I want you to go ahead and share with Mrs. D how many buttons you have on your shirt. Alrighty, friends. So now what we're going to do is we're going to review today for large group. We're going to be reviewing our sight word of the week. I met with a majority of you yesterday and we went over the word we. Can everybody repeat it? We. Let's spell it together. W-E. We. Now I want us to clap it out. Ready? We. W-E. We. Now let's twinkle it out. W-E. We, right? That is that word, we. We will go to the park when the weather gets warmer, right? How about let's chop it out? So put your arm out and we're going to chop it out. W-E, we, right? So I want you to practice doing that 3 times. So you're going to clap it out at first. I'll show you one more time. We, W-E, we. Then you're going to twinkle it out. W-E, we. Then you're going to chop it out. W-E, we. And here is the word. We, right? W-E. It's really important to review the sight words. And then you can go ahead and rainbow write it again in your notebook for me. So after you watch this recording, I want you to take out your notebook. Or an index card if you have, or a piece of paper. I want you to take out your crayons and I want you to write we for me. And I want you to trace it over 3 times with 3 different colors. We, W-E. And I want you to send me a picture on Class Story. And then I'll be seeing you shortly for large group. Alrighty, friends, I will see you soon. Happy Wednesday.